Ay, natalo namin kanina.
Okay. Wala kalaban.
Plus 21 nga. Kami. Oh, plus 11. Plus na pa-minus ang ng 11 yan. Plus 10 na lang sila. Kami magiging plus 22.
Good.
Oh, plus 22 na kami. Kailangan matambakan nyo kayo ng 20. Kaya 22. Hindi naman kami nananalo sa inyo. Parang kontrapilo ba?
Pero dikit naman yung laban na yun. Alam ko sa
Yeah. Ito ko. Laroy, Gansan. Yes, good. Kanina, hindi nyo nilalabas ah.
Nice one!
Yes.
Sabi mo, papa mo yan. Sabi mo.
Baka ko yun. Yeah. Enter by Persamina. Lace up.
Left hand. Nice one!
Persamina na naman. Persamina. Pantahan mo, idol. Yeah, to Bante. Persamina. De La Cruz. Back to Persamina.
Jay.
Jump shot, is out, Onya. Follow up, is good. Onya. Dalawa. Lumate. Is out. Rebound by De La Cruz. Number 24. Number 25. Intercept by number 3. Dakoy. Yeah. Kaya nalaman mo ba yan? Idol! Malakas! Rebound by De La Cruz. To Persamina. Nice pass.
Nice
Yes,
one!
good.
24. Malik. Malik.
Umuwi si Soriano?
Pinalo nyo raw.
Number 3. Bante. Nice shot. By Bante. Intercept by Russell. Russell. Bante. Wala. Nakuha ni Daroy. Katuboy.
Number 25.
In the center line, Jay.
Lace up.
Lace out. Rebound by Idol. Idol. Persamina, to Onya. Easy. Foul by Onya. First personal foul. Second goal team. Yeah, 3 points! Wala kanina yan eh. Bersamina, Bingaras by Daroy. Bersamina. To De La Cruz. Mababa. Sayang. Russell. Russell. Good. Lamang na po. De La Cruz. To Bersamina. O niya, pasa yun. Hindi mo kinuha. Daroy. Signature to line. Oh, sayang. Wali Daroy. Bumati. Yes. Onya. Ace up is good. Onya, to Bersamina. Isa.
Hoy, foul!
Wala pa rin. Rebound by Idol. Daroy.
Hoy,
Kasi sa center line. Hindi naman kayo po. Yeah! Oh! Palit sa banayan!
ay!
Ang batik siya. Batik.
Defense.
Change by left. Change by. Palit. Pasok, ulit. Ulit, pasok.
Nice one.
By number 3.
6. Pero yan eh.
Idol, Colambero. Daroy. So, Idol. Daroy. Ganita, isa. Wala. Rebound, number 3. Number 3 now.
Tatlo. Bang.
Bobby is out.
And one.
Wala pa rin. Rebound by Bante. Tubante. Foul number 2. Number 3. First personal foul and third for the team. First time by Bante. Good.
Ay, wala.
Wali Bante.
Nice one.
Barbero. Ostaret, number 5. Lahay. First personal foul. First for the team. First time by Barbero. It's good. Second try.
Rebound.
Isaw. Rebound by Basket.
Barreto.
Ulay.
Nice.
Isaw. Bawas pa rin doon. Number 27. First personal foul. First team foul.
Ay, dito.
Rep. Time out, rep.
Rebound. Rasa.
Nice shot.
Rebound. Rebound.
Bawas pa rin. Number 3. Wait. Second personal foul. Second try. Isaw. Rebound, Takpo. Number 3.
Check.
Rebound. Marin.
Apat. Rebound.
Rebound, Takpo. Wait. Number 7, Kobe Bryant. Only katumoy. Idol! Nice shot! Number 7,
Uy, foul.
wala pa rin. Oh,
Nice one.
Lahay. And good. Ball 22. Ball bayan. Isa lang. Ball bayan. Foul was Carlon. Pulido. First personal foul. 6 for the team. Foul. Ulahay. Number 5. Same personal foul, warning for penalty. Warning for penalty. Two free throw by Garon. First try is good. Second try. Isa. Rebound by Ulahay. Last touch, Garon. Next five. Ready and change five. Daddy goal! At wala, rebound Barretos. Yes! Kulit ka 2 points. Change five. Mamaya na.
Oh!
Yes! Change five.
Ivan. Nice one.
Wala pa rin. Nakuha ni Jay. Onya. Onya.
And
And
one.
good.
Oh. Onya.
Onya. Nice pass. Nice pass. Send the line by Punong Bayan. Yap. Two points. Malaya kanina kaya natalo eh. Super layup.
Uy, and one. Counted.
Plus a foul by number 18. Yap.
And one.
First personal foul. Second for the team. Bonus shot. Bonus shot by Bersamina. It's
Nice
good.
one.
Bulbayan. Garol. Iyak. Bulbayan.
Check clock. 7, 6.
Nice. Warang. Bersamina. Okay. Nice pass.
Oh, and
Onya. Yes, it's 2 points.
Defense.
Nice by Bersamina.
Good pass.
De La Cruz. Inagis. Inagis na na. Barbero. Wala. Sayang. Nice pass. Oh! Block by Punong Bayan. Kala mo ha.
Shoot. Nice
shot
one.
by De La Cruz. You know, investigation.
Darol.
Aaron. Foul. Number 24. Penalty. Penalty na.
Penalty.
Make a 1 point by Daron.
Daroy. Daroy. Good shot. Nice one. Ayun pa tayo.
Yes. 3 points. Onya, Bersamina. Russell. Shoot line. Punong Bayan, Barbero. Nice shot. Isang rebound by Onya. Save ball. Basket. Nasa foul. Was Barilon. Number 22. Bersamina. First personal foul. Bonus shot by Russell. Isaw. Rebound by Unya.
Nice one.
Malakas. Rebound. Barbero.
Oras.
Barbero. Isa. Malakas. Unya.
Shoot.
Okay, Ginaw. Nice pass.
Wow. Wala na.
Dapat hindi na nakahapon. $37, $35. Wala na. Yung dalawa lang wala. Ay, tatlo.
Wala, si Ronald, yung saka si... Wala natin si Gio, saka si... 7:35, no? Si Gio, saka si Marano. Tapos si... Pero nadagdagan tayo ng isa sa mga ulit.
Wala pa lang yung lista.
Oh, back to the bowling.
Oh.
Okay. Oy, sa ano? Fabulous, goal, fabulous. Ayan na, fabulous goal dito.
Nice one.
Nice pass. Only ka 2 points by Danny Cool. Daroy. Daroy. To Yap. Tukol Bayan. Is out. Nakuha ni Daroy. Daroy, running shot. Is out again. Napapalit ni Daroy. Good. Only ka 2 points by Daroy. Barrientos.
Onya.
Onya.
Wala. And one.
Foul number 3, Daroy. First personal foul and first for the team. First tie by Onya. Is out. Second throw. Rebound by Barrientos. Rodalito. Foul was tied on. Number 18. Yeah. Second personal foul and second for the team. Free throw awarded by Danny Cool. Danny Cool, first try. Is out. Second try. Rebound by Barrientos.
And one.
Foul by number 27, Barrientos. Same personal foul.
Nice.
First try, is out. Second try by Barrientos. Let's go. Bante, jump shot is good. Barrientos. Center line. Rebound by Yap. Rebound.
Adiel.
Di Barrientos. Barrientos naman.
Barrientos.
Danny Cool.
Barrientos. Shoot. Nice
Yes,
one.
by Pulito. 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 Yap. Being harassed by Dwight. 10 to shoot. Punong Bayan, back to bante. Jump shot, is out. Tap by Idol. Nakuha ni Dwight. Yung Bulidong. 2 points by Bulidong. Karoy. Being harassed by Idol. Punong Bayan. Being harassed by Bulidong. Punong Bayan. Punong Bayan. Yes, good! Nice shot by Punong Bayan. Basket corner.
Nice one. Nice one.
Yes, good. Nice pass by Bulidong. Karoy. Mamakali. Karoy. Nakuha ni Barrientos. Tugway-way. Pass ni Bulidong.
One.
Bante.
Wala.
Save ball.
Parang ako din dati na payat na payat ako dati yung school ako. Parang kakabasketball ba?
Daroy, set shot. Is out. Now by Daddy Cool. Daddy Cool by Onya. Onya to Barrientos. Barrientos, being harassed by Idol. Barrientos, by Lalay. Nice pass. Nice shot by Pulito. Pulito talaga. Ganda ng ano mo ngayon ah. Easy na. Ganda ng kissing ni Pulito ngayon ah. Punong Bayan, being harassed by Barrientos. Punong Bayan. Foul was parried down. Was foul red? Number 3, Dwight. Siya na nga daw si Rico. Dwight. Two shots by Punong Bayan is out. Third personal foul and third for the team. Ready change 5. Barrientos.
Barrientos. Benga.
Rebound Bante. Foul. Change 5, right? Foul. That's good. Change 5, right? Second personal foul. Second for the team. Pasok ulit. Lakas mo yung
Piligan mo talaga eh.
Kaya pala Yap to Barbero. Barbero. To Punong Bayan. Running shot. Is out. Rebound by Idol. Palo! Kaya! Sayang! Nakuha pa rin ni Punong Bayan. Oy! Nakuha ni Yap. Intercept by Bersamina. To Lucky down. Russell. Sinta-sinta kahit. Idol. Idol.
Malbo pa sa
Ulay! Idol! Yes! Wala ka pa rin po. Nakashoot na eh.
Idol!
Nakuha ni Bulahay. South. Rebound. Yeah. Russell. Russell. Yeah.
Nice!
South. Rebound by Bulahay.
Dala sa mina.
Tuyap. 8 seconds shot clock.
Oy! Yun, offensive yun.
Offensive foul.
Extend
By
leg yun mo.
Bruno Bayan.
Ipikit mo lang sa sarili mo.
Second personal foul. By Bruno Bayan. Dan sabi na.
Balak pa ka kasi. Balak pa ka.
Nice pass. Nakaling Bruno Bayan. Bruno Bayan. Defensive. Unahan, race out. Rebound. Foul was followed. Number 22, Bersamina. First personal foul recorded, second personal foul, third for the team.
Uy, wala, malakad din sila. Ano kasi kayo?
Wala nga, bilang.
Oh, pwede na magbalik, pwede magbalik. Mamaya na,
Kaya mahirap pag marami itong sinasalihan dito. Hindi mo alam kung ano.
Tira mo na hakot.
foul was run down.
Ano yung last touch?
Sino foul? Number?
Umamin na,
Sub. Foul was run down. Number 5, Ulahay.
Oh, technical, delay in the game.
Third personal foul and fourth for the team. Russell.
Sobra na.
Traffic violation.
Sumobra!
By Russell.
Pwede pa sana yun. Ako.
Walking. Jay. Jay. Dilakos. Samina.
Malaki yun. Sila na yun. Sila na yun. Uy, kayo na. Kayo yun. Kayo maglalaban na.
Tanalo yung mga kabilang team.
Point system. Foul, wala yun.
Foul by number 22. Bersamina. Third personal foul and leading for the team.
Point sa akin.
Sabre. Labas na yung lalabas. Pasa pa ang papasa.
Labas yung gustong lumabas.
Yes, correct. 1 point by Darun.
Time out.
Dito ang bola. Time out. Fabulous.
Lalaki, tinampakan namin ng lang naman.
Dahil parang ito lang. sorry na po.
Dami kasi mga chismoso yung sumakapit.
3 points by Russell.
Bang!
Rebound by Tracy of Equal.
Ate ko.
Russell. Kunika 2 points by Malta. Foul by Idol. 2 shots by Malta. First try by Babuco. Second try is good. Naman ni Barbero. Ulit nito si Whitman. Foul was parried on. Number 3, Danny Cool. Third personal foul. And 6 for the team. I say 3 years, tapos 2 years.
Nice!
Kunika 2 points by Twigray. Intercept by Pulido. Pulido.
Andyan!
Lock and foul by Daron. First try by Pulido is good. Intercept by Pulido.
Kick!
Same ball.
Kasi ang problema naman kami sa Pilihan. Maganda kasi ang ano nila. Sila nagpapatuloy ng puro negosyo kasi.
Danny Cool is out. Last touch. Wait.
Puro sila businessman.
Two shots by Daroy. Foul by Twinway. Warning for penalty. Warning by Twinway. First try is out. Kunika 1 point by Daroy. Pulido.
Malakas yun.
Is out.
Malakas yun.
1-0. Foul by Onya. 21. Onya. Penalty. 4
Ganda na. Kayo na ang susunod.
Tapos
Tapos na, 2 minutes na lang. First try, last go. Is out.
Rebound, Daddy Cool. Wait.
Balido.
Pulido.
Shoot.
Pulido. Tapo ng sabaw. Bante. Is out. Rebound. Onya. 1 minute and 40.
Shoot. Shoot. Likod.
3 seconds pa yung score.
Kick.
Ano yan? Uy. 1 minute and 14 seconds remaining. Ready na po ang last game. Si Ray Sunday, Dino Pesos. Ready.
Oh.
Laroy, entra si Wait. Oh. Barrientos.
Down.
Barrientos. Oh, Daddy Ball. Si Tupoy. Barbero. 50 seconds remaining. Barbero. Is up. Yes.
Pasok na sila sa ano.
Shoot.
Last 12 ulit sila. Di ba, bigit 20 plus.
Down.
Barrientos.
Plus 14, yung 10 nila, magiging plus 14, 24. Eh kami, kailangan makaparaan, makalaman kayo sa
Malaki na mga.
plus ano na kami, 23.
Gawin mo.
Yes, going at 2 points by Dwayne Lake. 15 seconds remaining. Best player, Dwayne Lake. Blocking foul, foul pa, penalty. 7 seconds remaining. Penalty. Pasok na.
Down. Sila na mag-champion yun.
First try is good.
Lumaki yung lamang eh, pero kung konti lang yung lamang, kaya pa eh.
Wala na.
Mahabol yung hindi, kaya pa sila nga.
Oh, pero wala na. Accord. Shoot.
Kobe! Wala. Yan mo lang na boss. 70-54. Waiting na.
Ayun na yung... Yeah.
Waiting. Bakulos.